Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So yes guys, I know it's been a long time that I actually filmed a tutorial. The truth of the matter is that I've been really busy with life, and to tell you the truth, I actually don't know what to do next. I don't know what to film. I don't know what hairstyle to film. So that's why I've been I've not been consistent as I normally am. When you have any suggestion of any hairstyle or hair tutorial you like for me to do, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see if I can get to that. I am quite busy, but if I get inspiration, and if you guys send me hair styles, or you can send it to my email. If you send me hairstyles or give me video suggestions, of course I would love to do something for you guys. So guys, I'm going to show you guys this beautiful wig that actually looks like 4C natural hair. Like seriously, when I went out with this wig, people actually thought it was my hair. Like, I wish it's my hair but it's not my hair. So that's why I have a beautiful wig like this, because when I wear it, it actually looks like my natural hair, which I absolutely love. So I'm going to show you guys how I wore the wig. It's a lace frontal wig, but I didn't spend much time on the lace front. So it's just I decided to do a side pattern, because if I want to wear this, how I'm going to wear it, And with this type of wig, maintenance is pretty easy. Always, when it's dirty, you just wash it, and then when you wash it, you can dry it, and then apply your leave-in conditioner, apply your oil, and then your water. Always use water. Use your hands, your fingers to comb through it. Don't brush it. And also, there are so many ways you can style this hair. Like seriously, I'm going to do some styles as well. So the wig is from IZIWIGS, and it's really affordable. Like seriously affordable. I'm going to put all the link and specs in the description box below, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I install the wig and also style the hair as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to support me by liking, subscribing, and share as well, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye. Hi guys, so I'm going to start by showing you guys the packaging. So the package came with all the hair accessories. So this is what the wig looks like. Very beautiful. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation on the lace part of it to make it look more natural, at least to make it look similar to my skin color. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and create a side pattern. Right here, I'm going to go ahead and put on the wig. So in order to secure the front part properly, I'm going to be using a got to be glued gel, which is totally optional. You really don't have to use it. You can just use the got to be glued face spray without using the gel, but for this tutorial I just decided to use gel. And when you're ready to take it out, please just spray water on the lace part. When you spray water in front of it, then you can remove it. Please don't remove it without spraying water, or else your edges are going to be gone. So I've applied the gel and I've applied the freeze spray. Now I'm just going to dry it a little bit. and then I'm gonna put it on. And yes, I'll be tying the scarf a little bit to, properly secure it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take out the scarf and then just fluff the hair out a little bit, and then now I'm spraying a bottle of water on the hair. I've already applied a leave-in conditioner on this hair, so please make sure you apply a leave-in conditioner to keep the hair moisturized. I'm also going to go ahead and apply my oil. But first of all, as you can see, I decided to trim the hair first of all. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply the oil now. And yes guys, this is what it looks like. I absolutely love this wig. It looks so natural, so beautiful. I love it. So right here I'm just going to do a quick style, like if I want to go out and I don't want any hair hanging on my shoulders. This is a beautiful way to style the hair, honestly. I absolutely love the style. So this is it, just simple and cute, and I really love it. And yes guys, that's what it's gonna be for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Love you guys.